Welcome to New Hampshire's Super Weather 8 channel with Reagan Storm. Thank you. So now we will go over last week's weather. This is the last week's weather for here in Concord, New Hampshire. For the last week, it's been a good 30s to 50s temperatures, high and low, with the average humidity being around 50. And remember, these measurements were taken all around 12. Now you see here from the weather chart for the wind direction, you see that more the winds are coming from the east, heading west towards us, and that is from the that's from the air mass, and the winds pushing that air mass towards us right now, which is one of the coldest air masses of this winter, and it's more hitting the eastern U.S. right now, which we are in as we are New Hampshire. So for the next few days, it's going to be a bit more colder and a bit more rain, and that will be today's weather. More days, it's going to be colder for a few of this time until this air mass passes by us, or it's going to be a bit more cloudy and rainy for this next couple of days as well. And the reason why for this now is the weather is going on right now is because the air mass is morely, if you see on the radar map here, it's morely coming towards us right now. As you can see with these arrows coming closer and closer, that's the air mass coming towards us right now. And if it does rain to a certain point of which it will rain a lot more harder, there won't be a flash flood, but the water and river levels will rise, so please be aware of those areas while you are driving or doing your activities this week. And if there will be flash floods, the National Weather Service will alert you of saying the water levels go to a point where it will be a flash flood. Now for today's weather. Today's weather looks like with the highs being 60, the lows being 25, the relative humidity being at 46%, and with the winds coming from the northwest at 8 miles per hour, and with the pressure being at 30.1, and with nothing more than one inch of rain. And it will be partially cloudy today with the air mass and the colder winds and everything coming in. And that's all today with weather.